Hey, to be monetized on the YouTube, you will have to become a YouTube partner and you will have to actually reach these requirements. So first of all, you will have to actually reach 1,000 subscribers. And the second requirement is to get the 4,000 public watch hours or 10 million public shorts view, but in the 90 days. And the 4,000 watch hours is actually from the last 365 days. And also you will have to complete the basics. So you will have to turn on the two-step verification, follow the community guidelines, and you will have to also pass the channel review. So after we submitted our application, the YouTube is going to check our YouTube channel. It will take around 2 days, and after this we'll be able to earn money and become a partner on the YouTube. Also, you will have to get the account, and I mean the Google AdSense account, and you will be able to connect your Google AdSense account when you become a partner. So from here you will actually be able to input your AdSense account, and each month you will actually get money from the YouTube if you have some views. That's quite obvious. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.